Welcome back, viewers, to another enlightening episode on Infinite Infotainment. Did you know that the kidneys are incredible organs capable of filtering about 150 quarts of blood daily to produce about 1 to 2 quarts of urine? This fascinating fact underscores just how vital kidney health is for our overall well-being. In today's video, we're delving into the realm of natural remedies and exploring 10 unbelievable foods that will cleanse your kidneys fast. Our kidneys work tirelessly to remove waste and excess fluids from our bodies, playing a crucial role in maintaining a healthy balance. However, factors like poor diet, dehydration, and certain medical conditions can put a strain on these vital organs. But fear not, as nature has provided us with an array of foods that can aid in cleansing and supporting kidney function. From nutrient-rich vegetables to antioxidant-packed fruits, we'll unveil a curated list of ingredients that can promote kidney health in a delicious and natural way. So, if you're looking to give your kidneys a boost and ensure they're functioning optimally, stick around as we uncover these remarkable foods that can be easily incorporated into your diet. Let's embark on this journey to better kidney health together. Number 10. Buckwheat. Buckwheat is not your average grain, it's a powerhouse of nutrients packed into tiny, versatile kernels. This gluten-free gem has been cherished for centuries for its health benefits and culinary adaptability. One of the key reasons why buckwheat shines in kidney-friendly diets is its low potassium content. For individuals managing kidney health, monitoring potassium intake is crucial as high levels can strain the kidneys. Buckwheat offers a nutrient-dense alternative without the potassium overload, making it an excellent choice for those looking to support kidney function. But buckwheat's benefits don't stop there. It's rich in essential nutrients like magnesium, which plays a role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and supporting overall kidney health. Additionally, buckwheat is a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Whether enjoyed as a hearty porridge, a nutty addition to salads, or as flour for gluten-free baking, buckwheat's versatility makes it a delightful and kidney-friendly addition to any diet. So, embrace the goodness of buckwheat and let its nourishing properties support your journey towards vibrant kidney health. Number 9. Red grapes. Red grapes are not just a delicious snack, they also offer a myriad of health advantages, particularly when it comes to kidney health. One of the key ways red grapes protect the kidneys is through their inflammation-reducing properties. They contain powerful antioxidants like resveratrol, which has been shown to decrease inflammation and protect against oxidative stress, both of which are beneficial for kidney function. Red grapes are also incredibly kidney-friendly due to their low sodium, phosphorus, and potassium content. Excessive intake of these minerals can burden the kidneys, especially in individuals with kidney disease. Red grapes offer a delicious alternative that provides essential nutrients without overloading the kidneys. Furthermore, red grapes are rich in water and natural compounds that support hydration and promote healthy urine production, aiding in the elimination of waste products from the body. Whether enjoyed fresh as a snack, juiced, or incorporated into salads and desserts, red grapes are a flavorful and kidney-nourishing addition to any diet. Embrace the goodness of red grapes and let their protective properties fortify your journey towards vibrant kidney health. Number 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is renowned for its heart-healthy fats and numerous advantages that extend to kidney health. Firstly, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered healthy fats. These fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels in the blood, reducing the risk of heart disease and promoting overall cardiovascular health. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for supporting kidney function, as heart and kidney health are closely intertwined. Moreover, olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties are particularly beneficial for kidney health. Chronic inflammation can contribute to kidney damage over time, and incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like olive oil into your diet can help mitigate this risk. When using olive oil, opt for extra virgin olive oil for maximum health benefits, as it is less processed and retains more of the olive's natural antioxidants. Use it as a flavorful salad dressing, drizzle it over roasted vegetables, or use it in cooking for a healthier alternative to other oils. By incorporating olive oil into your meals, you not only enhance the taste but also support your kidneys by promoting heart health and reducing inflammation. Embrace the versatility and health benefits of olive oil for a nourishing and kidney-friendly diet. Number 7. Cabbage. Cabbage is not just your average leafy green, it packs a nutritional punch while being gentle on the kidneys. One of the standout features of cabbage is its low mineral content, making it ideal for kidney-friendly diets. It's low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, which are minerals that can burden the kidneys when consumed in excess. By including cabbage in your meals, you can enjoy its nutritional benefits without straining your kidneys. Cabbage is also a fantastic source of fiber and essential vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin K. Fiber supports digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels, while vitamins contribute to overall immunity and bone health. When it comes to kidney-friendly preparations, cabbage is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it raw in a refreshing cabbage slaw with a light vinaigrette dressing or incorporate it into a kidney-friendly stir-fry with lean protein and low-sodium seasonings. These preparations not only retain cabbage's nutrients but also enhance its flavors for a satisfying and nourishing meal. So, whether you're craving a crunchy salad or a savory stir-fry, cabbage is a fantastic addition to your kidney-friendly diet. Embrace the goodness of this humble vegetable and let it support your journey towards healthier kidneys. Number 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is not only versatile but also rich in essential nutrients that support kidney health. Firstly, cauliflower provides a significant dose of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. It's also a good source of folate, an essential B vitamin important for cell division and DNA synthesis. Additionally, cauliflower is packed with fiber, promoting digestive health and aiding in toxin elimination. One of cauliflower's standout features for kidney health is its low potassium content. High potassium levels can be problematic for individuals with kidney issues, but cauliflower offers a kidney-friendly alternative without compromising on nutritional value. Here's a simple and kidney-friendly recipe idea to incorporate cauliflower into your meals: mashed cauliflower. Simply steam or boil cauliflower florets until tender, then mash them with a bit of olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper to taste. This delicious and creamy alternative to mashed potatoes is not only lower in potassium but also high in fiber and vitamins, making it a perfect addition to a kidney-cleansing diet. Embrace the versatility and nourishing properties of cauliflower to support your kidney health journey and indulge in flavorful, kidney-friendly meals. Number 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious but also packed with health-boosting properties, particularly beneficial for kidney health. One of the key reasons blueberries shine is their high antioxidant content, specifically anthocyanins. These powerful antioxidants give blueberries their vibrant color and offer a myriad of health benefits, including reducing inflammation, protecting against oxidative stress, and promoting overall kidney function. Furthermore, blueberries play a crucial role in protecting against heart disease, which is closely linked to kidney health. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in blueberries help maintain healthy blood pressure levels, improve cholesterol profiles, and support cardiovascular function, ultimately benefiting the kidneys as well. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is easy and delicious. Add them to your morning smoothie for a refreshing burst of flavor and nutrients, or sprinkle them over oatmeal for a nutritious and kidney-friendly breakfast. You can also enjoy them fresh as a snack or include them in salads and desserts for a colorful and flavorful twist. By embracing the antioxidant-rich goodness of blueberries, you not only support kidney health but also promote overall well-being and vitality. So, indulge in these tiny yet mighty berries and reap the rewards of their remarkable benefits. Number 4. Sea bass. Sea bass is renowned for being a high-quality source of protein. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that incorporating seafood like sea base into the diet can provide essential amino acids and promote muscle protein synthesis, making it an excellent choice for individuals looking to support kidney health and overall wellness. Moreover, sea base is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These omega-3s have been extensively studied for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Research published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology suggests that omega-3 fatty acids may help protect against kidney disease progression. When it comes to cooking sea base, simplicity often yields delicious results. Try grilling or baking sea base with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of herbs like parsley or dill. You can also prepare a flavorful marinade with citrus juices, garlic, and spices to enhance the fish's natural flavors. By incorporating sea base into your diet, you not only enjoy a high-quality protein source but also harness the anti-inflammatory benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, supporting your kidneys and overall health. So, reel in the goodness of sea base and savor its nourishing properties in your culinary creations. Number 3. Egg whites. Numerous studies have highlighted the health benefits of egg whites, particularly in relation to kidney health. One study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition explored the impact of egg white consumption on kidney function in individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD. The study found that incorporating egg whites into the diet can provide high-quality protein while minimizing phosphorus intake, which is beneficial for individuals with compromised kidney function. Egg whites are renowned for being a high-quality protein source. They contain all essential amino acids in optimal proportions, making them an excellent choice for supporting muscle health, promoting satiety, and aiding in tissue repair and regeneration. Moreover, egg whites are low in phosphorus, a mineral that can accumulate in the blood and cause complications in individuals with kidney disease. By choosing egg whites, you can enjoy the benefits of protein without adding excessive phosphorus to your diet, making them kidney-friendly. For a kidney-healthy breakfast idea, consider making an egg white omelette filled with colorful vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Add a sprinkle of herbs and a dash of low-sodium seasoning for flavor. This nutrient-packed breakfast not only supports kidney health but also provides a satisfying and delicious start to your day. Number 2. Cranberries. Several research studies, including one published in the Journal of Urology, have demonstrated cranberries' effectiveness in reducing the risk of UTIs. Cranberries contain compounds like proanthocyanidins that prevent harmful bacteria, such as E. coli, from adhering to the urinary tract walls. This action helps flush out bacteria and reduces the likelihood of UTIs, which can have detrimental effects on kidney health. Moreover, cranberries are packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C and polyphenol, which protect the body from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can contribute to inflammation and damage to cells, including kidney cells. By consuming cranberries regularly, you can help combat oxidative stress and promote overall kidney health. Additionally, cranberries aid in detoxification by supporting the liver's function and promoting the elimination of toxins from the body. Their special properties that prevent bacteria from sticking to urinary tract walls further contribute to kidney health by reducing the risk of bacterial infections. Incorporate cranberries into your diet through fresh cranberries, cranberry juice, preferably unsweetened, or dried cranberries. Enjoy them as a snack, add them to salads or smoothies, or use cranberry juice as a refreshing beverage. Embrace the incredible benefits of cranberries for a healthier urinary tract and kidneys. Number 1. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a versatile and potent addition to our list of 10 unbelievable foods that will cleanse your kidneys fast. Studies have extensively explored the benefits of lemon juice, particularly in preventing kidney stones and acting as a natural detoxifier. One significant benefit of lemon juice is its high citrate content. Citrate is a compound that binds to calcium in the urine, preventing the formation of kidney stones. A study published in the Urological Research Journal found that citrate supplementation, including that from lemon juice, can effectively increase urinary citrate levels and reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Moreover, lemon juice is a natural detoxifier due to its antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are factors that can contribute to kidney damage over time. Incorporating lemon juice into your diet is simple and refreshing. You can start your day with a glass of warm water and fresh lemon juice, which not only hydrates you but also aids in detoxification. Adding lemon juice to salads, marinades, or using it as a natural flavor enhancer for dishes can also provide its kidney cleansing benefits. By including lemon juice in your daily routine, you not only support kidney health by preventing kidney stones but also promote overall detoxification and well-being. Embrace the power of lemon juice as a natural ally for your kidneys. As we conclude this enlightening journey through 10 unbelievable foods that will cleanse your kidneys fast, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of hydration in maintaining kidney health. Adequate water intake is essential for flushing out toxins, preventing kidney stones, and supporting overall kidney function. So, remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. In addition to incorporating kidney-cleansing foods into your diet, making positive lifestyle changes can significantly impact your kidney health. Avoiding excessive sodium and processed foods, engaging in regular physical activity, managing stress levels, and getting enough sleep are all steps you can take to promote optimal kidney function. Before making any drastic changes to your diet or lifestyle, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing kidney issues or medical conditions. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring on your journey to healthier kidneys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on health, nutrition, and wellness. Together, let's continue to prioritize our well-being and unlock the secrets to a vibrant and healthy life. Thank you for watching.